Innovate to Save is a programme that supports innovation in public services in Wales at the same time as looking to generate a cashable saving to those services. We support projects to do some R&D, and if we find that their idea has held water, they're able to go on and draw down a loan in order to implement what they've been working on in full.
The process of doing the R&D meant that we had to really look at the idea. We previously would have just done it within the fostering service, within a very small team of opinions and ideas on what we thought would be the right way forward. They really encouraged us to talk to every single stakeholder.
Yeah, it's really, really key, and it's something a lot of people skip because it seems like something that's going to take a lot of their time, a lot of resource, and that they're going to be told stuff they don't want to hear.
The response from the children, the foster carers, the childcare social workers, it was also positive. They also flagged up things that we maybe hadn't thought of, so it gave us a chance to think through some of the problems we might come across before it happens.
As a team, we all bring very different kind of experiences and skills. You haven't just got teams of innovation experts or teams of researchers and never the twain shall meet. We work together to pool those expertise, and I think is actually really helpful to the project.
They allowed us to access experts really who could put our words into a spreadsheet and helped us to really fine-tune where could we see cost savings. So that was really useful, especially when you're trying to get a local authority to invest.
Where projects finish their R&D and there's reasons that they can't go on to take a loan, they're as important as the loan projects, because the learning that comes out of them, that's unique learning that isn't necessarily funded anywhere else, and it contributes to a really unique body of work around innovation in public services in Wales, and specifically within that field and topic.
For us, it was a really successful and significant project. We've been working in partnership with Public Health Wales. We work a lot within youth information and digital youth information. Quite often in projects, we're battling because we're given money to do a set thing. What was really different as both a funder but also people managing and supporting us was that they were just as interested in the things that didn't work as the things that worked. It wasn't about trying to make sure that all of our data says that our idea is 100% right. It wasn't about that at all. It was about actually really what is right, what's working, what's not working. So this gave us loads of finding that's relevant to all information that we deliver.
We would have stayed small and implemented these small changes that we were comfortable with. But because we had their backing and they had helped us to really prove that this was doable, this could work, we had far more confidence in it. So we had confidence to think big. And that was something that we never would have done without Innovate to Save.